You know, you work too hard, fought too long, and sacrificed too much to let your money live without a plan. You actually can hear the sound of the wealth you earn, the alerts, the transfers, the deals. That's the clear sound of ownership. But true wealth isn't just what you make, it's what you manage, protect, and pass on with peace, not pain. Hi, I'm TaQuita Hogan-Claiborne, better known as the Texas Law Diva, attorney, educator, and founder of Move Life Management. For over 20 years, I've helped professionals and families organize, protect, and multiply their wealth, combining law, money principles, and legacy planning with one mission to help you secure what you've built and pass it forward with confidence and class. Look, I see you. You got the corner office, clean, nice, good credit, the black cards, your keys jingle to something German in your driveway. Your closet looks like a Saks window come to life. Louis, Gucci, maybe even a Birkin sitting proudly on your top shelf. You earn every bit of it, the titles, the travel, the taste of success, but behind the glow and the grind, your money still lives unprotected. Your accounts are scattered across apps. Your tax folder is buried under your receipts. Your will, don't play, is still a note in your phone titled, I'll get to it someday. You've been continuously building income and influence, but not infrastructure. And that imbalance, you know what? It's expensive. It's costing you. Every unchecked account, every missed deduction, every unsigned document is just a door left open for loss to walk through. Because success without structure, it's not security. It ain't nothing more than a luxury car with no insurance. It shines in the sunlight, but one wrong turn, come, just let a wreck come. Everything you work for. And I promise you, and you don't want to see what can be when you get that repair bill. Believe me, you don't. Been there, done that. But that's why I created Legacy Lux, the 90-day wealth and legacy experience. In just 90 days, we turn chaos into clarity through my proven smart legacy process. Seize it, manage it, accelerate it, retain it, and transfer it. Together, we pull every account, every asset, and every document into one clear system. We automate how your money moves, income in, taxes set aside, investments funded, lifestyle covered. And then we lock it all down with attorney reviewed estate plans. So what's yours stays yours. You'll walk away with your own wealth and legacy system, a complete blueprint that organizes, automates, and protects your wealth. You get weekly coaching, concierge support, and our private secure the bag society community that keep you accountable and connected.